Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video you already see it's I would say quite powerful and surprisingly affordable multimeter. It's the Zoyi ZT-R01. According to all specification about this instrument, it's a very good instrument. It measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, and much more. It have built-in continuity test and diode test as well. Infrared camera. To say thanks Zoe because you sent me this to review it. Build is very nice. It's not so cheap plastic. I like it how it's built, even with this protective silicone around it. It's very nice. Let's remove this. Soft touch buttons for choosing options and everything else on the instrument. Usual but good enough stand. It's plastic, but enough elastic plastic, and it will do the job, I know. Uh, Behind the stand here is a USB-C port for charging and firmware update. That is most important to know. With it you will receive these types of probes, usual generic probes, 10 amperes, 1000 volts, DC, 600 volt, AC, and USB cable, of course. User manual have all information you could need. Full manual is only in English language. So let's start with checking how good this instrument is, because all reviews I seen on YouTube said some bad things about it, mainly for infrared camera. Let's power it on. Okay, it go in infrared mode as you see. Okay, let's see resistance. Let's start from there. So let's see on quick first information about resistance of probes. Relative for low 0.1 ohm. Okay, let's see a little bigger 0.5. Yeah, for 0.5 it works, but 0.1 is, I think, a little too much for this instrument. Of course you can see that it's low, but it's fluctuating from 007, 008. That is not true, so it's not so precise. 1 ohm. I would say it's okay. 100 kilo ohm. Something is wrong. 1 mega ohm. No, what is this? Is this bug? Ah, sorry, relative. 100 kilo ohms. Yeah, good. 1 mega ohm. Nice. And 10 mega ohms. Yeah, very nice. So resistance even much better than they said in manual. Capacitance. Where is my big one? I love to see that one. You know, I need. Why are you using always this? Because I wanna see time needed to measure it, and I have no doubt it measures.
Like every other instrument, same result, 222 microfarads. So I will start believe that this is truly 222 microfarads. What signal it use?
This is not usual thing to see. As you can see, it's peak to peak 18 volts. Funny. And it using 90.565 kilohertz signal. It's not high, too high, but it's not low like in many other instruments, so I would say this is okay, quite okay.
Continuity. You need good contact between probes, but look at probes are very gentle, so it's working quite okay. Diode. Let's see if it can detect this diode. Very nice. 2.7 volts forward voltage, so very nice. Actually, how much is voltage of this instrument at output? 3.3 volts, quite okay. Let's see for a millivolt range how it will do the job. 10 millivolts. Look at how sensitivity is. 10 millivolts it working. Let's see, 9 millivolts, 7 millivolts. Maybe there is, but even maybe my source is not so good. 6 millivolts. Yeah, most likely my source going crazy below 10 millivolts, but 10 millivolts. Look at it. Let's see, 20. That is perfect sensitivity for low voltage. Very, very, very nice. Let's see voltage reference for a bit higher voltage. And everything is in auto mode. That is important to know. 2.5 volts, very close. 5 volts, perfect. 7.5, you see, perfect. 10, a little off, but according to the others, maybe even this instrument telling me that my reference is not okay. Exactly 10 volts. Milliamp range. What I wanna say, there is no switch for amperes here, and it does not auto detect that you switched test leads to the milliamperes or ampere range, so it's not so intuitive, I would say, but they placed it selection for DC current or AC current is under this short press on power switch. We are in infrared mode. So let's see this. My hand. They say it doesn't work. Look this. It's not high FPS or so. It's lagging when I move hand, you see. But look at it how it combine infrared camera with normal camera. and you have all information you need to know. And center temperature is 29 now, 30. Maximum it measures, where it measures maximum? Somewhere here. Yeah, you see, when I move center I have. So it's not a problem at all. Even regarding 32 by 32 pixels, it's not problem at all to find where is problem on PCB. And you see, highest temperature is under center, highest detected is 31, and you can see where is highest, somewhere like here. You see how I can point where is highest. So of course you can work with this on electronic and detect where is the problem, because you see components on the board. Look at this, and it checking temperature all the time scanning and so on. I don't know why they say it's not capable infrared. If you know how to work with it, it will suit your needs and will show you everything. So at the end, I will say different than others. It's perfect instrument for that amount of money. Everything working as claimed, no problems at all. I didn't find any problem. Everything working perfectly. So even infrared mode working as intended. So for that amount of money is a real deal. Thank you for watching this, and sorry for my mistakes. I'm very tired today, but decided to make this video just for you. Bye bye till next video.